Have you ever wondered why millions of people are suddenly talking about Wizz? At first glance, it looks like just another social app, but that's exactly what makes it so surprising. In just a few minutes, you'll understand why so many users love it and why others are deleting it just as fast. Wizz is a social networking app designed to help you meet new people from around the world. Instead of focusing on followers or perfect photos, it encourages quick conversations and discovering people with similar interests. The app is especially popular among younger users because it's fast, simple, and easy to use. One of the biggest advantages is how quickly you can start chatting with new people. The interface is clean, finding friends is effortless, and there are plenty of customization options to make your profile stand out. It's a fun way to connect with people you would probably never meet in real life. But it's not perfect. Since anyone can create an account, you'll sometimes come across fake profiles, spam, or people who aren't genuinely interested in having real conversations. Another downside is that some of the best features require a premium subscription, which can be frustrating if you're using the free version. So, is Wizz worth downloading? If you're looking for a fun way to meet new people and you're careful about who you interact with, it can be a great experience. Just remember to protect your privacy and avoid sharing personal information with strangers. Would you try Wizz, or do you think apps like this are too risky? Let me know your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest app reviews.